Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the daily market update for the day. Today is April 22nd, Monday, and it was quite a very decent day in the market. Like we saw it earlier, market took a support on Friday from the channel pattern, and right now market is back into the channel and it's trading towards the upper side of the channel. Today market slightly dipped in the morning, then managed to uh, bulls may manage to absorb all the sellers basically, and it closed in more of a dodgy pattern today. And we need to see if Nifty is breaking the upper side tomorrow from the dodgies. I'm saying the top of the doji. Once it breaks this particular top like 22,380, and then we can see a quick swift up run towards 22,500 from here on, right? So this is about Nifty. So Nifty, there's nothing much we can speak about. It's in the bullish range now. So we are expecting we don't expect any news as such from Iran and Israel at this point of time. If something coming up, then there will be a problem. Unless otherwise, there is no issue as such. Market can clearly go and test the 22,500 first, and then they can go ahead and test the top of the channel line again, basically. So if, for example, if market opens a gap down tomorrow, then it's more of a quick small reversal, and then again bounce back might happen, because now we are seeing a doji over here. So which means that market is it's a bit tentative now whether to go up or not, or it's something like that. So we're just waiting for the market to break this particular top, which is 22,380 tomorrow morning. So once that is done, I think it should be a clear one way all the way to 22,500, unless otherwise if there is any news coming up, right? So that is most important thing. And let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty performed really well today. It was down for quite some time in the morning, but it managed to pull back and ended up in quite a decent way. Not too much of not too convincing, but still it managed to close above the 5 days moving average. And so we need to see how the follow-up candle comes up tomorrow. So once that comes up, I think probably we can take the trades based on that. I think tomorrow we can give a gap on trading for Bank Nifty alone. So once we see a decisive candle, and then we can take up a trade. Unless otherwise, don't get into it, and it might lead to a time decay for the option premiums. So, and also expiry is happening in next couple of days, so it's a monthly expiry as well. So try to be cautious and choose the right stock instead of doing index trading now. I think good stocks are available out there, and you can take a trade accordingly by looking at the right stocks. Let's move on. South Indian Bank. So today South Indian Bank gave a good close after quite some time now. So, let's quickly look. Okay, let's quickly draw a trend line from the top. It's a 1-day candle basically. So we're drawing a quick trend line now. Okay. So if you notice, South Indian Bank has clearly given a breakout above the trend line. So I'm expecting first target to be 30, and then if we can move, I think it can go above all the way to 32.8 or 33, probably the next target. So first target we are expecting 30 in South Indian Bank, and next target is 32.8 probably. That is one. Let's quickly look at the other banks as well. Bank of Maharashtra. What is happening in Bank of Maharashtra? Bank of Maharashtra is doing well actually. Today it gave a good up move. Wasn't expecting that to happen, but it gave a good up move because the PSU banking index went really well this morning. So I think the area of interest, it's clearly above 66.89, which is 67. So any close above 67 can be a good breakout for Bank of Maharashtra. Wait until it crosses 67. Don't jump into the trade before that. So once 67 is crossed, I think we can see quickly sweep 70 to 71. In case if you are already having Bank of Maharashtra in your portfolio, just wait for some few more days. In case if it comes down, average it. Don't worry about it. The bank is doing really well in terms of financials, right? So it's purely in the range bound now. So it's trading inside the range. So just wait for the either breakout or breakdown to happen. Let's look at some IT stocks. TCS, it performed well today, but I would say I would wait for a close above 5 EMA on a daily chart basis. So once that is done, maybe I can go ahead and go take a trade. Unless if it's not happening, I'm not going to take a trade in TCS. So just wait for TCS to close above 5 EMA, right? I think one of the thing which I noticed is Nifty IT pack wasn't performing really well for the past few months. Actually, it went up, came down all the way, but now I started looking at a particular pattern. It's in the monthly chart. Nifty IT is trading in a cup and handle pattern. So once the handle is giving a breakout above another, so I think you can accumulate some good IT stocks at this point of time. So probably next month we can see IT stocks can be going very much on the upper side. It can be explosive as well. The chart looks so beautifully scripted. So I think next month it's going to be for IT, I guess. So just add quite a few IT stocks into your portfolio. Bajaj Finance also gave a good up move today. It's an excellent move, and Bajaj Finance results is coming in the corner of the week. So I would say just wait for it and then take a position based on that. And like I told earlier, Bajaj Finance gave a good monthly close last month, and it's bringing the follow-up candle on the similar line, if you notice. So what should be the view here, right? So basically 7815 is the close we all need it. So once that is done, probably we can expect above 7650 and 7815. These are the ranges which we need to look upon. So once these ranges are broken, I think Bajaj Finance is heading towards 9,000 plus levels for sure this time. Tata Power, I would say it's consolidating for today, and it has closed below the 5 EMA. So probably if it's opening high tomorrow, then we can try to buy a put and make some bucks over here in Tata Power. So because it closed below the EMA after quite some time now, so I would say wait for tomorrow's up move and then take a trade, and once it goes down, make a quick buck in Tata Power. HDFC Bank, due to the results, it has fallen down drastically. So just wait for HDFC to consolidate few more days and then take a trade accordingly. Don't jump into it because sometimes catching a falling knife is not a good idea. So I would say just wait for some time and then take a trade in HDFC Bank. Let's quickly look at gold. If you notice, the gold has started to come down. Actually, now the Israel-Iran war news has suffixed, and there's no much volatile in the market. So the demand, the gold has to come down at some point, and it started to happening now. And once gold, so these are the levels I already mentioned, 2282 and 2257. These are the levels on golds. Once gold reaches there, I think probably there might be a fresh buying coming in these levels. Until otherwise, no trade zone. If you want to trade it, just take a put option in gold mini, or probably then try to make some money, and wait until gold breaks 2331.78. so once that is done, probably you can take a trade accordingly. So what's happening in IDFC First Bank? IDFC First Bank is similar thing. It has given a breakout. Now the breakout retest is happened. Now it has started to now it has started to move upward, and it has closed above the 5 EMA today after quite some time now, I think after a few days. So probably we can wait. I think it's I would say IDFC first is at the good level, and also the results is coming as well. So don't have huge positions, try to add slowly, and once they come out with a good results, then probably we can add further on the upside. I think we have covered majority of the stocks today, so I think we hope it should be helpful. Just have a quick look at the video, and speak with your financial advisor as well before taking any trade. So once I'll be coming up with furthermore videos on specific share ideas in upcoming videos, so you can plan your investment accordingly. So until then, bye for now. If there is any quick news or anything as such coming up, I'll be posting it on my video. So have a nice evening ahead. Bye bye.